Let's find out how the world's largest toothbrush will clean my stained teeth. It's disclosing time. Let's check the before results. This toothbrush has a sick logo, but extra firm bristles. Aqua Fresh Twin Pack. Double the power. Fat glob. Minty. Oh no, it's dripping. This is Dental Digest. Let's get brushing. Minty fresh. The bristles are kind of hurting my gums, but I can really feel it cleaning my teeth. Let's check the after results. This massive toothbrush wasn't able to clean in between my teeth that well, but overall was a huge success.